Open house at the iconic City Hall, Stockholm. The open house is usually held during first week of October, when the buildings and places across Greater Stockholm open their doors to the public. We are now at the imposing central courtyard, where the ticket counters are also located. The charges for the guided tour of City Hall are SEK 150 per adult. There is discount for senior citizens. Really imposing, isn't it? The City Hall is a living symbol for Stockholm. Since its inauguration in 1923, the building has had several functions, both political and ceremonial. It is where the Stockholm City Council hold their meetings and where the Nobel Prize banquet takes place each year on December 10th. The City Hall is constructed in the National Romantic style. It has many remarkable decorations, several of which portray the history. A panoramic view of the waterfront greets us as we step out of the courtyard. The place is having a festive atmosphere due to open house. Quite a crowd is there. One can enjoy great views of Gamla stan and Monteliusvägen. There are also quite a few interesting sculptures. The imposing tower. One can also go up the tower. Escalator is available till a point after which there are around 350 steps to reach the top. But the view from the top is surely worth the climb. Regatta was also being held on the day, and we could see a number of sailboats skimming the waters before us. This is Palmstedet's cave. The figure you see inside is of Loki, one of the gods in Norse mythology. The sculpture is called Loki's Punishment. People enjoying canoeing. Hope you enjoyed this video with us. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks.